Pause for a second. Look at where you are right now. The goals you're chasing, the work you're putting in. You're not just building a bank account. You're doing something that no one in your bloodline has ever done before. You are about to become the first millionaire in your family's history. And that changes everything. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something deeper than money. We're talking about legacy, identity, and the invisible weight of being first. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're already on the path, this video is going to hit different, because building wealth when no one around you has done it before is one of the hardest and most meaningful things a human being can do. Let's get into it. Here's what nobody talks about. Being the first is lonely. Your family loves you, your friends might cheer you on, but they don't fully understand the path you're walking. They haven't seen it modeled. They don't have a roadmap to hand you. And sometimes, without even meaning to, they'll doubt you. They'll ask, "Why do you need so much?" Or, "Who do you think you are?" That's called the crabs in a bucket mentality. And it doesn't come from hatred, it comes from fear. Fear that you'll change. Fear that you'll leave them behind. Fear that your success exposes the limitations they've accepted in their own lives. Your job is not to resent it. Your job is to understand it and rise anyway. Because here's the truth. Someone in your family tree had to be first. Someone had to move to a new city. Someone had to be the first to graduate. Someone had to break a cycle. Today, that someone is you. Growing up without money doesn't just leave your wallet empty. It leaves a mark on your mind. And that mark can follow you even after the money starts coming in. You might find yourself spending fast because money never felt permanent. You might self-sabotage right when things start going well. You might feel guilty for earning more than your parents ever did. This is called wealth trauma, and it's real, and it's common, and it's workable. The first step is awareness. Recognize that your old beliefs about money were survival tools. They helped you navigate scarcity. But survival mode thinking will destroy abundance mode results. Start asking new questions. Instead of, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Is this the best use of my money?" Instead of, "Money is hard to get," start telling yourself, "Money flows to people who create value, and I create value." You have to reprogram, not because you were broken, but because you're upgrading. Your old operating system was built for a different environment. Now let's talk strategy, because mindset without action is just a motivational poster. Pillar 1, earn more, not just save more. The first-gen wealth builder often focuses obsessively on cutting expenses. Yes, frugality matters, but you can only cut so far. The real leverage is in growing your income through skills, side income, business, or investing. Attack both sides of the equation. Pillar 2, learn the language of wealth. Stocks, real estate, compound interest, tax-advantaged accounts. These weren't dinner table conversations growing up. That's okay. Start now. Read one financial book this month. One. Start there. Ignorance isn't a character flaw. Staying ignorant is a choice. Pillar 3, build your team. Rich families pass down networks. They have accountants, lawyers, financial advisors, mentors. You didn't inherit that network, so you build it. Find a fee-only financial advisor. Find a mentor who's done what you're trying to do. Join communities of people on the same path. Your environment will make or break you. Pillar 4, protect what you build. Estate planning, insurance, emergency funds. The first generation of wealth is also the most vulnerable because you have no safety net behind you. Don't skip these steps. Building wealth and protecting it are equally important. I want you to think 30 years into the future. You have kids or nieces and nephews or mentees, and they grow up in a completely different reality than you did. They see investing as normal. They understand compounding. They have conversations about equity and ownership at the dinner table. They don't carry the same scarcity wounds you healed. That is the real return on your investment. You are not just building a net worth, you're building a new family culture around money, and that culture will outlast you by generations. Every sacrifice you make, every book you read, every dollar you invest is a gift to people who haven't even been born yet. This is what generational wealth actually means. Not just money, a mindset, a standard, a story that begins with you. You didn't choose to be first, but you are, and
And that's not a burden, it's an honor. Do the work, learn the lessons, protect your peace, and remember, every millionaire was once at zero. What separates them is the decision to keep going when no one around them understood why. Keep going. If this video spoke to you, drop a comment below. Tell me, what's the biggest mindset shift that changed your relationship with money? And if you're new here, subscribe. We talk about real wealth, real mindset, and real freedom every single week. I'll see you in the next one.